Hi guys, it's Thomas here from COTBase.com. Welcome to a weekly COT review. Today we're going to be analyzing the 48th Commitments of Traders Report of 2023, and as we always do, we shall start off by looking at the largest changes in commercials positions. But before we jump to the review, just a brief reminder for anybody who's new to COT analysis. Here at COTBase.com, you'll find a lot of educational material. We have these in written format. We have some great videos as well. And of course, we are always here to help you if you have any questions. So comment underneath the video or just send us an email to info@cotbase.com. As usual, we're going to be analyzing the classic COT report type. CFTC calls it the legacy COT report. There are, of course, newer COT reports, but with less history. And we're analyzing the combined futures and options data type. And as always, we're going to start off by looking at commercials, net positions based on a 52-week look-back period, so the change in their net position. And as you can see, we've got the Chicago wheat on top of our list with a 22% change over there. So you can see the magnitude on the chart. It's larger than average. You can see that a week ago we had a similar larger than average, actually a bit larger bullish change signal, and you can see that we are witnessing the rise of this market. If we move to a 5-year chart, you can see that not only do we have a bullish COT change signal, but we're actually at the bullish extremes as well. So 304 report extreme in commercials. It says 25 for large speculators because you can see that's roughly the 25 report roughly half a year ago. But that's why we open charts and you can see visually that we are very close to all-time COT extreme levels. So it's a significant bullish extreme in the market, combined COT change signal and extreme both pointing in the same direction. If you are trading wheat, it's good to know the picture from the COT report is definitely bullish. The Brazilian real, a currency for our next market, here we have a 21% change in commercials net position. This is once again a bit larger than average change size, suggesting a bit of a strengthening in the next couple of days. We have seen greater changes in the past. You can see this bullish change signal from October was a very successful signal. You can see how well it performed on the market afterwards. Moving to a 5-year chart, you can see that we are closer to bearish COT extreme levels. So if we are considering a trade upwards because we have seen this bullish change signal, it's good to note that we are actually having a more bearish extreme present. Metals complex, we're going to jump over that and continue on with the British pound. Here we have a 19% change in commercials net positions. You can see the change over there, larger than average, I'd say top 5, suggesting weakness in the next few days. And I think, you know what, if you look at the chart just preceding the top, we do find bearish changes. Just before this bottom over here, we see larger changes once again. So could this be a signal that we are reaching a interim top? Maybe. This, of course, was the COT change analysis. Shifting to a 5-year chart, we get a chance to examine the stress levels. And if you take the horizontal line over here, you can see that we are more or less in between the two extremes. So the most bullish from 2019 to the most bearish extreme from July of this year. You can see that traders are roughly in between that at the zero line. So not much to talk about from a COT extreme analysis perspective. Now, this is the time I'm going to move over to the British pound US dollar currency pair and show you the capabilities of the iCOT Intraday Indicator, an indicator that we developed after many years of research. We are very proud that we could bring down the COT analysis concepts into the short time frames, and this is super short. I have received requests to show the indicator on micro time frames. All of these candles are 15 seconds. So this is the British pound US dollar currency pair, and it just shows you how well this indicator can perform on such a chart. Of course, we've got the scores, which of course mimic the COT charts. It is not data from CFTC. I cannot emphasize this enough. It is our own data, but we have used the methods and concepts learned in COT analysis to come to something very, very similar. And I think it's just kind of speaks to itself. It works very, very well. One of my favorite setups is when you get a sell signal from AfterSignal, the market dips and comes back to the stop line, and boom, you get a stripe signal just at the stop line. What a wonderful opportunity over there. Of course, we do see beautiful buy signals as well. So a wonderful tool to supplement your long-term analysis techniques from COT analysis. Moving on to large speculators, COT Extreme, we have the wheat complex, meaning all the wheat markets with are combine their data, and we get an all-time extreme. We're going to jump over that and open rough rice with a 651 report extreme in large speculators. So that is an unquestionable bearish extreme, suggesting weakness in the medium to long term. Swiss franc 206 report extreme over here. This is more of a bullish extreme, but even on this 5-year chart, you can see that we can reach greater levels, so caution is advised. Now, although we have this bullish signal from stress level analysis, I do believe there's a chance for this to grow to even greater levels. And last but not least, we have corn, where we have 178 report extreme in large speculators. The same exact extreme is in commercials, putting us at the top extreme of this 5 years horizon. It is a bullish extreme, suggesting corn should start gaining in value. So that's our brief little review for the weekend. Of course, there's so much to do here at COTbase.com. We do, as our name suggests, offer our services around the commitments of traders report. So if you want to dig into your research, you can definitely use all of our tools. You can open a specific market that you trade regularly. You can download the data if you are a pro member. And of course, we have our wonderful indicators, the COT Base Pro, focusing on classic COT analysis. You get access to the website. You get access to the Ninja Trader, the indicator in Ninja Trader. And of course, we have the iCOT Intraday Indicator, which is available not only in Ninja, but on TradingView as well. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I hope I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful weekend. Take care. Goodbye.